I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how you can know with your Sonicare toothbrush that it's time to change the brush head. So you want to change out the brush head periodically, and the way to know that, there's two different ways. When you finish brushing and it needs to be replaced, so I'll pretend that I brushed here. When you're finished, instead of it shutting off like that at the end of your brushing cycle, it'll actually give a few pulses. And that's kind of like a tactile indicator that it's time for you to change that brush head. So that's a reminder that's really easy. The other one is if you look down here, there's this little blinking light on there, and it has a little brush head image with a little circle type of thing there. And this is indicating that it's almost time there, and it's time to change the brush head when that light is on. So we know that we can do it with two different settings. If you finish your full brushing cycle, it will automatically pulse to let you know. And also you can see when the light is on here at the bottom, just after brushing, that's going to indicate that it's time to change that brush head. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps.